chat, it's pool day. I for sure overslept, but it's like 10 a.m. so I'm heading out now. My goal is to hit 2 beaches today, first being LUQUILLO and maybe Canado after that. But the goal today is to hit 2 beaches. Go to the first one, chill a little, second one, some sunset vibes. So we're gonna go see what the vibes is, and let me give y'all a quick OOTD. Some light. Okay guys, so from our hotel we had about a 40-minute ride to LUQUILLO Beach. We just arrived. As you can hear, it seems like a vibe. The music is really loud. I'm gonna try to find us a spot on the beach. But actually we came to check this one out. Pretty busy.
Give you many things we could make you dance. Yeah, make you back up to the stand. It's phone ring and he never call you back. You should leave him. Let me put some money in your bag. You don't need what I mean is if he do you bad.
What did I say? LUQUILLO Beach. The water feels amazing. It's almost like you can jump right in. None getting used to it. It's not cold at all. So I'm really happy that we chose to come here. What you got?
So always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Low main is child for now, child, child. She got me wildin' now. Royal tired, child for now, child, child. Yeah, she make it shake, breaking that bait till the bait break. Wow, yeah, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind, and it's always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. She don't want Hallmark, she want Amex, and I'm inclined. Face card valid, no I never pressed decline. Took a month to make it to my lobby, it can't be prime. Return policy, she can't be mine. Nah, nah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind, and it's always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child.
So chat, the plan was 2 beaches today, but I don't know. I'm feeling LUQUILLO. I want to do jet skis. I for sure want to try some food spots over here, but I'm really feeling the vibe here. It's not overly crowded. We were easily able to find a spot. It's not too hot outside. The sun's not shining too bright, which is perfect. The water is so warm. Like, chat, let's go back to this water. Cause look at Lay. She hates cold water and she's vibing right now. She's vibing so tough. But yeah, the water is so warm. Look, chat. You can just walk right in. You can walk right in, chat. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Almost fell 3 times. Almost fell 3 times. But we vibing. Lay says, hey, we vibing. Yeah, she feeling it, chat. So I don't know, maybe I stay here for most of the day and do the other beach. I think it's Condado. Do that one since it's near the hotel. Do that one tonight. Not tonight, tomorrow night. And find like a pool or a water park in the morning. So that's kind of the vibes I'm going for. But I'm gonna enjoy the water. I'm gonna put the cameras up, immerse myself completely. See, I'm gonna put the cameras up and I just want to really connect with nature, connect with the water, and really vibe out. So I'm about to put the phone in the bag, the cameras in the bag, got some pictures. I'm really about to enjoy my pictures. So when I eat, I'm gonna catch y'all up, chat.
Time to sip on a cocky, long till it bend like banana. Combine up your time to sip on a cocky, long till it bend like banana. And then you turn back with your girl, sit down on it. Let me put it in a every song corner. Combine up your time to sip on a cocky, long till it bend like banana. Your body put me up, it and coat it. Come in and make your soul no ask about it. Combine up your body, make me give your team fit. The bed in the room, but no ask about it. Like you said, give me and give your girl, sit down on it.
So chat, I did the water flying activity. We got some footage of it, which I will be sharing. Would I ever do it again? Probably not, but it was fun. It was a great experience. I'm still kind of choking on salt water, but I am going to post the outcome of that activity.
Time to sip on a cocky, long till it bend like banana. Combine up your time to sip on a cocky, long till it bend like banana. And then you turn back with your girl, sit down on it. Let me put it in a every song corner. Combine up your time to sip on a cocky, long till it bend like banana. No, I love you, please. Come spend a lifetime with me, baby.
I'm still at the beach, chat. It's still a learning process with this DJI because I prefer just trying to take a picture. And it started recording, so I was like, might as well get on here and yap a little bit. Sister and niece went to go grab food. I'm chilling so hard, I can't even think to eat right now, but I'm trying to think if I want Puerto Rican cuisine or if I'd like to try something else that's just over here. Because I'm chilling so hard. It feels so nice now that the sun is like out of the equation. So I'm probably about to just chill here for most of the rest of the day. I kind of want to hit up the food truck park again. That was a decent little vibe. So I might hit that again. But yeah, still here, still chilling. Maybe this is humid hair because it's not as tangled as it was. But I don't know, chat. Is it giving humid? Because I don't be knowing with Amazon sometimes. I'm gonna go get some food soon, but I've really been enjoying the beach. I kind of want a caparina. No, when I asked them, they act like they didn't know what I was talking about, so maybe that's only a Brazil thing, but I could have sworn that was like here as well. So I'm gonna ask about that. As you can see, still here with the vibe. Is that weird that I'm like laying the opposite way but not facing the water? Like, are people gonna think I'm watching them? Because this is my view. Like, should I turn around? Is it getting weird if I just like stay laying here? And I really like the DJI. One thing I would say is that I'm much more comfortable talking to this small camera than my Sony ZV-1. Like this one, I've been yapping into this camera all day, probably because it's just so small and compact. But with my Sony ZV-1, I feel so awkward. So if that's like one of your reasons why you're not vlogging, why you're not picking up the camera, get the DJI because I literally been yapping in this thing on sunrise, sunset. But my Sony ZV-1, it was just a lot because it just seemed like it brings so much attention to you, and I really don't like attention, so I think that's why I like this camera so much. But I'm saying like a lot. It's giving Kenzie from Love Island. But yeah, I'm about to grab some food soon, and we're gonna see what the vibe is, see what the now I'm getting stared at and I don't like it. But I might eat over here. Who knows? But I'll keep you guys updated. Also, chat, I did my makeup to come to the beach today, and I literally like fell underwater so many times doing the water flying. So I just feel like I'm so popped right now.
Police is like forming right there.
Oh,
I'm there,
what y'all get?
They got some chicken fries.
Y'all love y'all some chicken wings and fries.
Get the card, TT. I'm not that home right now, but we'll go back by the hotel later. I'll probably walk.
Ain't no Wendy's over there. It's a Wendy's over there? Where'd y'all end up going? Ow. Let's see what them fries hitting on. Oh, the foodie monster. The foodie monster. Thank you. Oh, God. Aha.
I went pink rain.